Hello everyone, and welcome back. Just doing a quick video that I'm actually finally getting tomatoes. Even though it's like the 24th of September, they're actually starting to change colors. So the ones on the right here are the Omar's Lebanese tomatoes. We've got a funky shaped one here, which I sort of like the funky shaped tomatoes sometimes. Still, it tastes like a tomato. Here are these are German pink tomatoes. I think some bugs got to some skin there, but you can just cut them out and just. I just have three cucumbers here, but I've gotten like maybe another 10 cucumbers beforehand. But anyways, I'm just excited about the tomatoes, that they're actually starting to turn color now, even though it's a bit late. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day.